In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an arrow in Camtasia. This is a great way to highlight important parts of your video and make your content more engaging. Whether you're creating tutorials, presentations, or just looking to enhance your videos, adding arrows can bring clarity and visual impact. To get started, first open up Camtasia on your computer. Once you're in, you'll want to import your video file into the media bin. Think of the media bin as your video library within Camtasia, where all your video assets will be stored, ready for editing. With your video ready in the media bin, the next step is to drag it onto the timeline. The timeline is essentially the workspace where you'll organize and edit your video. Simply click and hold your video file from the media bin and drag it down to the timeline at the bottom of your screen. Now let's add an arrow to your video to emphasize a point or draw attention to a particular area. Look over to the left sidebar of your Camtasia interface and click on the Annotations tab. Annotations are a fantastic feature in Camtasia, allowing you to insert various visual elements like text, shapes, and of course arrows. Under Annotations, you'll find several options. Click on the tab with the arrow icon. This is the Arrows tab, which presents a selection of different arrow styles you can use to match the tone and style of your video. To add an arrow, drag one from the Arrows tab either directly onto your video on the canvas or straight onto the timeline. Placing it onto the canvas allows you to position it exactly where you want it to appear in your video. Once your arrow is on the canvas, you can adjust its size. Click on the corners of the arrow and drag to resize it, making it as small or as large as needed to fit your video's composition. You might want to rotate the arrow as well, especially if you're directing the viewer's attention to a specific angle. Simply use the rotation handle located above the arrow to rotate it to the desired direction. Now, head over to the Right Properties panel. Here, you can customize your arrow further by changing its color, thickness, or style. This customization is crucial as it allows the arrow to blend seamlessly or stand out vividly within your video, depending on your purpose. Lastly, you can adjust the duration of the arrow's presence in your video. On the timeline, click and drag the edges of the arrow clip to extend or shorten how long it appears in the video. This is particularly useful to ensure your audience has enough time to notice the arrow and understand its significance in the context of your video. And there you have it. You've successfully added an arrow to your video in Camtasia. Congratulations! This simple yet effective addition can significantly enhance your video's communication power.